Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments. I love to read every one of them. I love to hear from you. Okay, y'all, the other day, Neil Kaskari, he's one of the leaders of the Fed, he said that we should know yesterday what the Feds are going to do with the new stimulus that they were planning. Yeah, as you know, they was planning on sending stimulus checks to the people without the approval of Congress, because they're in the position where they don't need the approval. They can do this at any time. The Feds are looking at recurring stimulus checks for the people of $2,000 per month. Let's hope they get this done. They do have the legal right to do it. The problem solvers is 21 Republicans, 21 Democrats. They are working on getting this bill passed. They see how bad the leaders are doing, so they're trying everything they can to help us. All of that being said, I need to tell you, Neil Kaskari, I don't know if I'm saying his name right or not. It don't really matter. He's just another blowhard in Washington. He said that we should know what they're going to do yesterday. Okay, we still don't know. So it's just a lot more empty words. I feel like if the Feds could do this, they would have already done it. If the Feds could do this, why hadn't they done it? I don't know what to make of it. Everybody is saying what they can do, but nobody's doing anything. Y'all, it's crazy. We have to vote all these people out. And we need somehow to get term limits for all elected officials, no matter what branch you're in. We do know the Democrats are coming back to Washington on Saturday to vote for the post office bill. We do know that about 50 Democrats are wanting to vote on a stimulus bill at the same time. They say it don't make sense to come back just for that. They need to vote on what they can agree on now, and that would be including stimulus checks. So let's just wait and see if that happens. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch these videos at the end. It would help me out tremendously. And I will see y'all tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. because we know nothing's going to happen overnight that's going to warrant a video until then. I love you all. Keep your faith in God that He will see us through this mess. And until tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., I love you all. Ciao.